guys, Jason doing a first LEGO review. That's it on the camera.
Hi.
Today we're reviewing the Police Chase Fire set, and it comes with 425 pieces. Has 4 bones, and let's go and close up. Okay, here's our set. Got nice detail here. We're gonna go on the first figure is the dog. Got brown fur, which you can see. And here you got the first robber here. You got a hat, got teeth right there. I'll show it on the camera. And next here you got the next robber. He's not showing his teeth like this robber. They were together, by the way. And here we are working on the first vehicle, the fire truck. You can see we got the hose over there. You can fit some storage back here. And next, you got the police car, which you can see right up here, which doesn't have a leg. Here are the legs, which popped off by itself from here. Here's the guy. It says on the back, it says police. Got a nice gown he's wearing. And here we are on the next vehicle, the little police car. Don't ever do that in my LEGO review. Here it is on the back. And here's the girl police. She doesn't say police on the back. Hers is different, by the way. Sorry. Can you put this on? No. Here it is. Here is the vehicle. With the guy right here. Got some glasses on him. He's wearing. Here's Guy. Got glasses on him. And here is our vehicle. There's a little storage area right here. The other side is good. An easy way to get in. And here is where the police can go. There's 2 inflatable open doors that can go. A little coffee cup. Here's the wheel. Got a little chair. And here there's a little